Hello everyone, we're super proud to announce that our brand new book,
The Foraging Year, UK monthly calendar and field guide,
is out now. The Foraging Year contains a huge month-by-month foraging calendar that teaches you what wild edibles are available at what times of the year. Simply scroll to the month that you wish to learn to forage in and look for a wild edible that takes your fancy and then turn to its page, where you'll be greeted by 6 unique colourful photographs to help make identification of wild edibles easy.
Then we have our harvest bars, which we have written especially for the Foraging Year. The harvest bar allows you to track which parts of the wild food is available throughout the year.
Plus, every plant, tree and mushroom in the Foraging Year has pictures of what you might confuse them for.
And the Foraging Year contains an entire chapter devoted to 22 poisonous plants and mushrooms to help you on your foraging journey.
The Foraging Year follows on from our best-selling book, Knowledge to Forage Wild Edible and Medicinal Plants and Trees. Both of our books are dedicated to sharing and preserving the knowledge of nature gifts for future generations.
Peace.